My name is Freddie, and I'm an in-store branch manager at Citizens Bank. The biggest difference between an in-store branch and a traditional branch is that an in-store branch is located in a supermarket. Our customers really love the convenience that they're able to bank with their shop, and being open 7 days a week gives a lot of flexibility and convenience not only to our customers, but also to our colleagues. To be an effective in-store branch manager, you have to love interacting with people, be organized, be able to multitask, and be able to think on your feet. Being in a grocery store gives us the opportunity to go into aisles to meet and help our shoppers while also prospecting for new customers. My primary responsibility as a branch manager is not only to be a boss, but to be a coach and a mentor. I coach them on the daily activities and mentor them through their career paths. Every morning, we start the day off with great energy, making sure everybody's ready for the day in terms of what appointments they have, what activities we'll do for the day to make sure we have a successful day and we provide the best service for our customer. When it comes to leading and coaching, you have to be a strong role model, care and value your employees, and also lead by example. And those are the keys to being a great coach and leader. Before working at Citizens Bank, I had a lot of retail and sales experience that taught me very valuable interpersonal skills. Those skills are the ones that I use every day as an in-store branch manager. There's many opportunities for advancement. Take me, for example. I was an assistant manager for 2 years, then I was promoted to a branch manager, which made me feel very valued and appreciated. What I enjoy the most is developing my team, making sure they're the best at what they do. It makes me feel really great to see my colleagues succeed and to know that I was a part of that.